So next we're going to talk about the mirror command, or rather the mirror tool. So for the mirror tool, let's add another object over here. Let's use a circle maybe. Yes, we can just have a small circle over there. Yes, now we want to mirror this particular object. I'm going to show you two methods. So the first method, we're going to also use the line tool. We can have a straight line over here. Hit escape. So to use the mirror tool, hover your mouse around here, then you double click to activate the command. You can see our mirror command is active. Now you're going to select the objects that you want to mirror. We're going to use this object and this object, then hit enter. Our command line is telling us to specify the first point of our mirror line. We're going to have this. Now we're going to use this line as our mirror line. We're going to have that point and that point. As you can see, our objects are already mirrored on the other side. So the prompt is asking erase source objects. No. When you hit yes, this object is going to be automatically erased, and now you're going to only have this object. So for us to retain our original object, you're just going to hit no, then hit enter. All right, now we can have both the objects. Now for the second method, let's erase this, hit delete. You don't necessarily have to have a mirror line. All right, so we can just activate it again, select our objects, hit enter. Now you can just specify the first point of your mirror line. Yes, and now you can opt how you want your object to be mirrored. You can maybe say at that point, or maybe at that point, or maybe at that point. Yes, it's all up to you how you want your object to get mirrored. So we can maybe say at that particular point. Now you can say our object is mirrored on the other side. That is how we use the mirror command. So the shortcut key for the mirror command is MI. Hit enter. Your object. Now you can select your object. The mirror command is already active. Now you can select your object. We can even mirror those two objects. Hit enter. Then let's specify our mirror line. Let's have it a straight line, such that our objects are mirrored on the other side. And that's how we use the mirror command. See you on the next section.